Why is he... What is he doing?
Oh, sorry, I forgot we were making a video. High five. Make sure that you guys click like, comment, and subscribe. Not only for a chance to win the Miata, but because
without you subscribing, you wouldn't know when we get to drive another car and show you and tell you all about it when it's this special. Because we got a 2016 Boxster Spyder for you today.
375 horsepower, 3.8 liter flat six, borrowed from what?
The 991.1 Carrera S.
This thing is a beaut to drive. It sounds even better. We say this all the time, but this time I really mean it. This is the car if you want a convertible and you want that beautiful whine of the 3.8 flat six.
It's the best car that you can get that's never gonna depreciate.
Dave Ramsey says go for it, buy it. Now let's finish our review.
Well, hello there. Do you want to win our Miata?
All you have to do is subscribe on YouTube and follow along on Instagram.
We will be giving it away next May, which is our 5-year anniversary. We need 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and make sure to follow on Instagram.
Good luck! Sounds this good.
Well, you've been in my car before. It sounds this good, definitely.
So this car has an aftermarket exhaust. And the closest I've gotten to that is at Road America on the racetrack. This thing is phenomenal.
This car is amazing. It sounds amazing. Oh.
We put it in a higher gear so that we can talk to each other. Oh, so this car redlines at 7,600 RPM.
Okay. Is that a lot?
Yeah, you hear this thing screaming from forever away. In fact, when we took it away from the dealer, there were 2 kids getting out of school, and they were looking at the car, and I assumed that they wanted to hear the car. So they also got to hear the car, but then they plugged their ears, so they heard it less. It's honestly like, it is a little obnoxious, but it's about the perfect amount of obnoxious without being overbearing. You know what I mean? It sounds so good.
It sounds really good, and you really gotta yell when you're going fast in it.
Oh man, okay, so let's get to the brass tacks.
Okay.
We've driven a 2020, what?
It was
Spyder.
it was a 718 Spyder.
This is, we have heard what people pine after.
Yep.
And I didn't really understand it.
I didn't either.
Until you hear the beautiful noise of the 3.8 liter naturally aspirated.
It is
flat six.
Very nice.
You can go 0 to 60 in 4.1?
4.3 seconds.
Yeah, so that's pretty good.
Yeah.
I would say the burbles are kind of nice.
Yeah.
And I would also say that compared to a GT4, you got the open top so you hear the noise better.
Yep. How's the steering feel?
Going around corners, it almost honestly feels a little bit, not looser, but I remember the GT4 feeling extremely, extremely tight.
Yeah.
This is still tight, but it's that, I mean, that 10th of a degree. You know what I mean?
Yep, I know what you mean, but so it's a very minuscule difference.
Yes. However, I feel like this car, now we're driving in like a row of cars, so we can't really go around these corners, but it allows us time to talk.
Yes.
I would say that the body roll is 0.
Yep.
I would say you know exactly where the car is.
Yep.
I would say It's perfection. It is Porsche perfection.
Is it?
The Spyder, it's just something. It is something else. I don't know. I love coupes, so therefore I naturally like a GT4 better. But I think in the Porsche world, I like the Spyder better.
Is that so?
Yeah. I mean, I think we should let you take this thing for a drive and give you your thoughts.
Okay.
It's pretty perfect. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. I don't think that you could ever get tired of this noise. It's like the perfect amount of obnoxiousness.
I agree. This thing is great.
The one thing I don't really like, and this is the thing I don't like about almost every new Porsche, I don't like the electric parking brake. I have a hard time remembering if it's push or pull. if you can hear me.
That is barely any gas. Like,
What?
it just is always obnoxious when you drive it.
What do you think about the electrically assisted steering?
I can tell that it's there and it's electric rather than in my car. You can feel every little crevice.
Do you like this better or yours?
I mean, this is more comfortable, but I don't know. I don't know.
We are in the often disputed bucket seats.
What are they disputed for?
How do you like, would you rather have this or the 14-way, 18-way?
Bucket seats every time.
I think that they are very comfortable.
I agree.
I don't know if they'd be super comfortable going across the country, but I would try it.
I would try it 100%. This thing is magnificent. These seats, I just love the way they hold you in, because when you're driving a sports car like this, it's nice to have that extra security if you want to go fast around a corner, that you're not going to slide out of the seat.
That is true. What do you feel about the comfort? I mean, we're rolling around.
In Sport Plus,
Do you feel like it's just as comfortable as any other car?
yeah, and it corners really well. Like, it just has a natural, like, yep, it just grabs and goes.
I think all you need to know is that the sound is all you need to know.
That's all? You don't need to know that it has 375 horsepower, has a top speed of 180 miles an hour, to 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds.
As you know, we're all just about smiles per mile. And this gives you extra smiles per mile.
True, it does.
Oh, this is so much fun. What do you say we get a flyby and show them how to put up the top?
And if this video gets
1,000 likes.
oh boy, that's really low, he will buy the car.
1,000 likes, we'll figure out a way. You know, Tyler, oftentimes people wonder how much of a pain the Spyder roof is.
Yep.
It's not that bad. And here, we are going to show you. And if Turn 5 can do it, we assure you that you can as well.
Yeah. If we can do anything, you can do it.
So first you hit the button.
Yep.
Then, you want to take these off.
You find the little button in there, you push on it, and then it will come off. There we go, I found my button. And then you tuck it in like this. I can't remember. Will Chris come and help me? Hopefully.
Here's what you do. You stick it in a spot there.
And you have to rotate it because...
Okay, then you take the back,
Yep.
lift it up.
Oh, look, now it can fit in the back.
You do need two people.
I'm guessing you could get away with doing it with one, but the problem with doing it with one is it would be a bit of work, and it would be a little bit wonky to try to do it. And the last step is you put these down.
There you go. That's easy. This thing looks good in real life. It also looks really good in the abyss.
Darn it, I was really hoping this was our intro and you're gonna say welcome back, because I want to drive it some more.
It is so much fun. It is a thrill. It has a massive soul.
Yes.
If you guys are in the market for any type of a convertible, I would suggest you go to the link below and check out Porsche St. Paul's website for this car and many others.
Yeah, they have great cars at all different prices that will fit all of your needs. So make sure to go on their website, pick this one up specifically because this is amazing, or pick up anything else.
I've had so much fun. 375 horsepower is plenty enough. It sounds so good. It drives phenomenal. There really are almost no downfalls to this 2016 Porsche Spyder.
How many times are you going to say, this is enough horsepower? Come on, we need more horsepower.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Awkward High Five. Make sure you click like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one.